Okay guys, I'm back again. Now I'm going to show you actually step by step how to fix and restore this aluminium window frame behind me. As you can see, it's not corroded that much, but you will still see that there's a big difference. But this is a step-by-step guide on what we have to do. We're going to start the process from the beginning. And for the whole process you need the Everbrite kit, and this is a small kit. As you can see, if you can zoom in, you need the Easy Prep. That is a soap-based concentrated cleaner and acid neutralizer. What it does is you have to wash these windows with this, but you dilute it by 1:6. So then you wash the windows and it will actually clean it and will also neutralize the aluminium. After you've done that, you wash it off with water so that all the soap is gone. After that, you can only use the Everbrite crystal clear coating that you put on top, and that will be the UV protection as well as against salt water, etc., and it will last between 5 and 10 years. When we do the application ourselves, we give a 5-year guarantee. Unfortunately, if you bought this product, you don't get a guarantee, only the fact that it will last for between 5 and 10 years. You also need gloves. That's not because it's poisonous or something, but it's quite sticky. And then you need the Scotch pad. This Scotch pad we use to clean the window with, and the application pad that we use to put the Everbrite crystal coating on the windows. Also, I use a normal tin, what you call it, whatever, and we put a bit of this crystal clear coating, but you will see as we go how that works, so that you can actually put this inside there, squeeze it out, and then do the application. So Mike is going to do the whole story for you, and thank you for watching so far.
I've got the Easy Prep, it's concentrated cleaner. I've diluted some, 1:6, and now I'm going to start cleaning. Okay, now I take this, spray it on, and give it a good clean. There you go, section of the window clean. In there as well. And there we have it, ready. Okay, now before you let the Easy Prep dry, you must take a damp cloth and wipe it off. And at the same time, make sure there are no blemishes on the window, so that it has an even finish. Because if it's not an even finish, you're not going to result in an even finish. So make sure you take all that Easy Prep off, and your window has no blemishes. Otherwise, as I say, it'll create a problem at the end of the day. There we go.
Okay, we finished cleaning this top part of the window with Easy Prep, and we also washed it off with water and let it dry. It must be dry completely before you put the product on. The Everbrite crystal clear that you can see here with the prep pad. I already poured some of that into a normal tin like this. You can see it's just the bottom that's filled on this. So when Mike starts this, he can show you how he actually start and do the coating on the top.
Okay, first of all we take the tip, just dip it in so we can get into the difficult to reach parts, like there. Do the backing. And then you can see it uses not very much at all. And that's the edging done.
Stop.
We've done the edging, so now we take the mat, put it in, dip it in, turn it over so that it soaks up the goodness, and then we give it a squeeze like that, and then we do the frame. Not too hard, don't put too much pressure on. It just needs to attach itself. It'll come off the cloth quite easily. Remember, not too much pressure.
Wat sê hulle wat prys daai? Ja, ja.
And there we have it.
As you can see, we finished the top part. It's going to dry now, but if you need a second coat, don't do a second coat on before you wait 24 hours at least. It will be touch dry in about 20 minutes, but you can't put the second coat immediately on because that will mix with the first one and you will get some streaks. So wait at least 24 hours if you want to put the second coat on. That's only necessary if your windows are very corroded. As you can see, these windows aren't that bad, so one coat should be efficient and it will last for the next 5 to 7 to 10 years. And after those many years, you can just put another coat on, as it will actually bond with the previous one even if it's 5 years old, and it will stay the same.